Hi guys, so this is my product demo. First of all, I'm really thankful for you guys to giving me this idea to develop this game. I think it was really interesting because I had fun actually, even though I've not slept for a couple of days, but I really had fun. Okay, so moving ahead for the product and showing you how to install and how does it work. First of all, you will have to clone both the repo. One is the server and another one is the UI. The UI would need Node.js, and I will explain in the email like what exact Node.js version it needs. And the server needs Laravel. Its server is on the Laravel 5.7, so it would require you to have PHP version 7.1.0. I am not using Docker because again implementing this on Docker would be another headache, so I'm skipping that for now. So yeah, so once you have downloaded these repo, cloned the repo, what you have to do is first Composer install, then Composer install. You can see Composer install there. So if you click on Composer install, I have already installed, so it is telling that everything is installed. Next you have to open Workbench and set up the database. So I am creating a database here. So my database is created here, and we have to update the env file in our project. So go to server, repository, go to .env, and you can see my MySQL here. We need MySQL for this. I'm not for as database, localhost, port, and NBA live. I hope I have given the right name here. Yes, the name is right. Once you are done with this, you need to run php artisan migrate seed. And you can see all the migration being run and the database being seeded. So once you are done with that setup, you should open another command line and move to the server directory that is nba live -core -server, and run this command to start the backend application. This is the admin panel. It will start on this, and then you should open another command line and start the front-end application, which is the UI part that user will see. And you need to use npm run dev here. This will start and open in browser. So I have already started here, so you can see the backend application running here. You will have teams, players, games, rules, scores, etc. And similarly you will see the front-end application like this. Here you will only have one option, which is games, and you need to go to scoreboard, and then the games that are being set up in the backend admin panel, you can see those games here. And let's see the admin panel first. You can go to the games part, and you can see that we have two games going to that is going to get scheduled. Right now the status is 1-1, and we have some option like edit these, delete view, etc. And similarly we have players, like each player is assigned to one team that is in the team table. So we have like 4 teams here, so for 4 teams we have 2 games. So this is how we will set up the backend and admin panel. So once we are done with the setup, basically you won't have to do anything because you just because it's already there in the seeder file. So all you have to do is start the game. To start the game, please don't use this button because I have disabled this button. You will be using the command line. So before starting the game, you can go to the scoreboard part and keep it open and open the command line again. So here I will just open the command line. Yeah, and you need to run php artisan game play. I think that's the right command. Yeah, and let's see. Oops, oh sorry, that's not the command. Start maybe. Yeah, so now this is happening, this beep is happening because status are being updated. That's in, so you can go here, you can see that the status is being updated here. So every time a score or anything happens, every 5 seconds the status, this will update. You can see this is live right now, and if you go to the scoreboard, you can see the other event is not, because I'm using queue, so it's actually pushing the job in the queue. So basically once this job is finished, this job will start. So why do I have to do the same? You can see we have to wait for 48 seconds for this game to get over. Meanwhile, you can go to assist and you can select the team that you want to see the assistance for. Then you can select which player you want to see the details for, say this guy. So you can see here that there is 3 pointers, he has done 2 pointers, he has done foul. Similarly this guy, he has done nothing, he's just playing around. And similarly this guy, he has done 2 pointer, like Clay Thompson, I don't know, just names I've used. So we will wait for the game to get over. So you can see as soon as we see a 2 pointers, the total score is changing, whoever is doing the 2 pointers. So you can see the game is finished here, and we got the result, total attack count here, and this is the next game is being scheduled now. So scoreboard, if you go to that, this game is live now, this is finished. Go to this game now, so it is live, this will happen and this will get finished. So yeah, so that was my application. Hope you liked it. Thank you.